Hello, girls.
Hello, Miss Letty. Hello, Annie.
Hello, everyone.
Right, let's continue with our theme for this week, which is Guy Fawkes Night, because on the 5th of November in the UK, they will celebrate this moment in history. So we are trying to give a very simple explanation to our viewers. So here we have a filling of the gaps. So the words are today: straw, rented, parade, king, plotters, gunpowder, fireworks, cellars, to warn, bonfire, Catholics, blow up, fireworks, stuffed, which is when you put something inside of something else, first, kill, and plotters we have twice, and barrels. So Annie, could you be so kind as to start? Let's see if we are clever enough to fill in the spaces today.
The evening of November 5th in England is called Bonfire Night. On this evening, in almost every town or village, you can see bonfires and fireworks. Is that right?
Just carry on, yeah.
You can also see children with strange man called a guy, made of old clothes. Made of clothes? What is that? I don't know.
This word.
What is that? Made of old clothes is old stuff.
Yep.
Stuff with straw or paper.
So made of old cloth, stuffed with straw or old paper. Right, continue.
Oh, me. The guy is always burned on the, what is it? On the bonfire again?
Yeah, bonfire.
Oh, again. Well, on the bonfire during big parades. Parades with big parades. Then the children ask people a penny for the guy. Then, what is it? All this is done every year to commemorate the 5th of November 1605. At that time, James first, what is it?
James the First.
What is the king?
James the First was
the king of England, because of strong resentment against the Protestants. A lot of people, especially plotters, were against
Catholics, especially Catholics.
People, especially Catholic, were against the king, and some decided to what is that? What is the first one? I don't know. I couldn't see the top one.
No.
What is that?
Cellars, fireworks, straw. Decided to kill.
Oh yeah, that's kill. Oh, I couldn't see. Decided to kill the king by gunpowder. The House of Parliament where he was supposed to open the new session. Right,
so we have to change this one. So decided to kill the king by
blowing up.
By blowing up.
Oh, yeah.
Go on then, read it. The king by blowing up
the houses. Okay.
Of Parliament, and we're supposed to open a new session.
Is that the right way to see the to pronounce the Parliament or Parliament? Which one is correct?
Parliament.
Parliament. Okay.
The Houses of Parliament. That's where they sit. Yeah. Right, here we go. This is for Nieves. Can you see it, Nieves, or do I need to move it?
I think I'm fine so far.
Right, okay.
The group of plotters had a man called Guy Fawkes among them. They
rented. rented.
They rented. It's because I can't see the left. See, I've moved now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They rented had
the plotters. The
plotters.
No, they. I don't know.
You say they, not they.
Yeah, they. This is here rented cellars close. This is rented.
They rented cellars close to the parliament and hid 36 barrels of gunpowder in those cellars. They had decided to blow up the parliament on November 5th. Fortunately or unfortunately, one of the plotters was anxious because he had friends in parliament, particularly Lord Monteagle. He didn't want him and other innocent to die, so he sent him a letter to warn him of the plot. Monteagle took the letter to the king, who sent his card to the parliament. There they were found, some killed on the spot, others taken to the Tower, tortured and executed among the Guy Fawkes. The Londoners decided to organize parades to celebrate the fact that the king was safe, or that some people had tried to oppose him. The tradition dates from those times.
Right, so it was a bit complicated there, no? Because as we're doing it as we go along, to give it a bit more interest. Right, so here we go. Annie, we're going to continue.
Did you know Bonfire Night is about Guy Fawkes trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Fireworks can travel at speeds of 250 km per hour. King Henry VII's wedding saw the first recorded British firework display in 1486. Sparkles burn between 1,000 degrees Celsius to 1,500 degrees Celsius.
I gather that's very hot.
Yeah, toffee, apples, baked potatoes, hot soup, and hot chocolate are often enjoyed around the fires.
Right, so I put these pictures here because when I was a child, my father, we didn't touch the fireworks. My father used to get these, and they're called Catherine wheels, like the name of a girl, Catherine wheels, and they go round and round. And these are rockets. So my father would put these rockets in like a bottle, the wooden part here. He would stand them up in a bottle, and then he would light them here and run off, and they would shoot up into the sky, right? So I remember the Catherine wheels and the rockets. And we used to stand in the kitchen and look through the window because my father wanted us to be in a safe place while he set off the Catherine wheels and the rockets, right? Off you go, Nevis.
Sparkles are handheld sticks that burn, giving out sparkles until they run out. They are sometimes also used to decorate a special occasion case. Penny for the guy, a children's chant from the recent tradition leading up to Bonfire Night, where an effigy or guy is made from old clothing and transported in a wheelbarrow in the quest for money.
So here the quest means that we are looking and hoping to get money. And a wheelbarrow is like a cart with two wheels so that we can take the guy. Now, this is what we can see here is a sparkler. And we used to buy packets of 10 or something like that. And my father used to give us one each. And we used to do like shapes because we celebrate this at night when it's dark. So it has its effect. And what can you see there, Annie? Can you see me?
Yes. What is
No
that? The guy?
way.
Is that the guy? I mean,
It could be, yeah. It's a
yeah.
guy which is dressed up and full of straw. So what do you
Uh-huh.
think they're doing here?
And the kid hold up the guy. I don't know where they're heading to.
We're
And
going to ask for a
behind that,
penny. We're
They're
going to
asking for
ask
a penny.
ask for
and to
penny.
collect money, right? So
Oh,
this is
beg,
it. You can
beg for
see
money.
many years ago, this is what we used to do, right?
Oh, penny for the guy. Yeah. That's right. I just
Right.
realized.
And these are some words which are useful to describe fireworks, right? Sparkler, which sparkle, or shimmer, or whiz, explosion, rocket. And then the fire at the bottom, it makes a crackling noise, right? It makes a crackling noise at the bottom. And the flame is the yellow, orange, or red. So anyone can stop the video when they want and take a better look at that vocabulary. What are those, Annie?
Toffee apples.
Toffee apples. Do you ever eat them, Annie?
No.
Oh, gosh. You're missing out.
They're
And
delicious.
what
I
do you
never-
think this is, Annie?
Soup.
No, this is sausages and beans.
Sausages.
Oh, but there is like a little bit water inside.
A little sauce. So do you know what we call sausages, Annie? Bangers. Because
Oh.
sometimes they explode when you are cooking them, right? So when we say, Mummy, have we got some bangers for tea tonight? So it comes from sometimes they explode, the sausages, when you are cooking them. And any idea what these are, Annie?
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Oh wait, what is that? The wrapping
That's
with
the foil. It's a foil, aluminium
foil.
foil. And these potatoes are called jacket potatoes. Yes, I'm seeing it. We're going to get our heads cut off, girls. So toodaloo.
Toodaloo. Bye bye.